Hey everybody, it's been so long. Not long, but maybe 2 weeks since my last video post. So much has been going on. If you're an art mom or a mom, you know the deal already. There are class parties, colds, things you're trying not to get. Then there's all the normal things in between all of that. So it's been incredibly busy, but I just wanted to get on here to make sure to just say hi, give a couple of quick little updates, and keep it moving. So let's get to it. Before I get into the nitty-gritty about this vlog, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload a new video or go live. Also, hit that like button if you like this video because it helps my videos a lot. My Kelly Kits, they are coming. Again, I had to postpone a lot of stuff going on. My son got sick, then I got sick from him. It just, oh my gosh, a cycle. So my kits are going to be postponed until 2023, probably spring. You might see them refreshed and getting some new ones in. But those are coming. I have a few ideas that I'm hoping to run past you guys for the kits. Some of the ideas that I had were abstract kits. That was one. I had so much fun with doing my abstract piece. I felt like, oh my gosh, what if I was able to collect random things and package it for you guys, and then once you got it, you were able to position and place it however you wanted to and make your own abstract piece full of recycled goods. I thought that would be really, really awesome. That's one idea. The other idea, which I've mentioned before, but I'm not sure who was able to see that post on my Instagram, was to do designer kits. Those will be one-offs because they're gonna be super special and exclusive. So I wanted to be sure to let you guys think about that. It's gonna be a little bit more complicated. I might have some puzzle-like kits where you kind of have to figure it out. I won't guide you. If you have any suggestions for kits or any ideas that maybe I'm not thinking about, please put it in the comments. I'm really super open right now, and I'm just really want to experiment with them and try different things. I want to make sure that people that are buying them are having fun, and I'm hoping that it inspires you in some way. As far as commissions are concerned, I will be reopening them in this after the new year, sometime out there, in February perhaps. I'm kind of trying to slow down a little bit, rethinking some of the ideas that I had. I'm kind of pacing myself just because I think that it's easy to get caught up as an artist and oh, what's the next thing I'm gonna do? What's the next thing I'm gonna do? I'm one of those people that I'm like, okay, I've executed a lot of the ideas I had and I'm really proud of them, but I'm ready to do some other things too, perhaps revisit some things I've done in the past and bringing them into my business as prototypes and that kind of thing. Thinking about it, I'm not quite sure yet, but I want to give my brain time to kind of kind of chill, spend time with the kiddos, and also think about those ideas that I have going on in my head. So commissions will come back, just not right now, but they will open back up maybe, like I said, February, something like that. I will also be slowing down on my new artwork. I love what I'm doing so far, but I'm only one person. It sucks. When you have so many ideas and you're trying to get them all out, it makes me crazy. But I do have to slow down on some of my new work that I'll be presenting, only to give myself and my brain room to rethink and visit my Kelly Kits, get those finalized and get those refreshed for you guys, make room for commissions, work on some of the other ideas I have in the back of my head that I really, really want to have room for. So I think those are all the major points that I have for you guys. I also just wanted to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I hope you have the merriest of holidays and a really, really wonderful New Year. I think the last, 2 years now have been incredibly crazy with COVID, with these random illnesses that are going around and wreaking havoc because we've been in masks for 2 years. So there's a lot of stuff. There's inflation, there's all this stuff going on at one time, and to find a minute to find yourself and to breathe and just be okay is hard. A lot of people got shut down for Christmas because of the storm. I'm not sure what'll happen in New Year's. Hopefully, if anybody wants to be with family during New Year's, that's something we can do. But it's been tough on people this year. And it's just stuff is expensive. It's just difficult. So I pray for all of you that I can't see and that I don't know, but I feel for deeply. So I pray for all of you. I pray that you're at least able to find little moments to little joys in the holiday season and able to just take it easy and slow down. I pray for all of you. I hope for the best of you. I hope that you all just enjoy yourselves this holiday season, and I will see you guys in the new year.